All right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are doing well and everybody is fine. Happy to have you here. Yeah, supposed to do this call, and then we see how the day ends. But it has been already a tiresome day. But I hope I'm loud and clear. I'll be using my phone, and I'll keep this Zoom as brief as possible because really I've done so many calls and I feel okay, but I needed to keep pushing. I need to keep pushing. It's not easy, but I need to do it. It's not easy, but I need to do it. But welcome everybody to the call. So this evening, all right. I want to keep this meeting as brief as possible, but as informative as I can. Make sure it is as brief as possible, but as informative as more information to be shared. Want to be delivered as I can. To as far as possible. That's going to be one of my goals. Really, I'm a little bit more exhausted. So do not expect me to basically share a lot, but I'll share the most important. Am I loud and clear? Let me know. Okay, so today we are going to put our focus. This is a members training on using a specific indicator to be able to pick up trades. And so I'm going to share my screen right away. Let me start with a whiteboard. And explain a few important things. And then we go theoretically. We go practically after I've explained. I would love to increase my voice away from here, but it is hard. It is hard simply because just a minute, this is not working well here. Can you be able to see my whiteboard? But if it fails, let me just adjust and I go straight to the application. Okay. So just a minute to make sure that I drop this signal very fast. Okay, now learning to pick up trades with entering them at the right time is one of the best things you can do for yourself to basically. It is simple and it can be easily done. So you don't need to worry so much. So let me share my screen. Yeah, the account. Guys, I'm going to train from here. I may not be able to go back to the other account because I want to save time. Now, it is important to know what is FBA. FBA means first buying amount. The success of your trade will always depend at what time you have entered the coin. How fast you move out of the coin and how much profit you make from the coin will always depend at what price of that particular coin have you entered at. And so the goal of the day is to make sure that we buy low and sell high. And so we want to make sure that we basically and purely be able to enter coins at the right moment. And that's why we are here. So your first time to enter the coin should be done at the right time. So if you are not good at technical analysis or in using pivot points to find coins to enter or whatsoever you want to use, you can use indicators. That when indicators speak that language, automatically the robot will buy it. And we can introduce three indicators. We have the RSI, we have the MACD, and you have the KDJ. I think every Wednesday I'll do one. So today let me go back to the RSI. Next week I will come to the MACD and then the KDJ. So let's pick one of the many, the RSI. Why do I like the RSI? One is a relative strength index. It moves with the movement of the market. So since not a lagging indicator, it's a real-time indicator, it's one of the best. It is what is happening in the market right now. Now, trading using RSI or MACD or KDJ only uses the 15 minutes time frame. We cannot use it in 4 hours. We cannot use it in other time frames. Only uses the 15 minutes time frame. Now let's understand the indicator. The RSI is a line. It's an oscillating line that keeps on moving up when the market moves up, moves down when the market moves down, like that. And so, as it's making those movements, it has important areas. Are we following? Give me a yes in the chat if you are following. I cannot increase my voice from here. It is the best I can do. I've done so many calls and since 5 a.m. I've been in this office, so I cannot raise my voice higher. So I just want to make sure that my voice is loud and clear. Okay, so I cannot push it harder than this. That's the best now I can talk. I've talked a lot and really I cannot push harder. Okay. I was like even feeling not to do this call, but it is important that I always appear. So our zero, zero. And then it starts making its movement to the upward until it reaches 100. So when it starts from 0 and it reaches, this is half of the journey is 50, and it goes up to 80. I'm talking about the RSI of Royal Q, and it goes up to 80. Once it reaches 80%, it means the buyers, have overbought this coin. Versa V, this coin moves from 100 and it starts moving, and it comes, traders have oversold this coin. So it means that when this coin is in between 20, this is 50, and this is 80. When this coin is in between these three parameters, it is in a neutral area. So it means that if we buy this coin when it is 50 and above, before it reaches 80, we are a little bit safe. But when we buy this coin when it is below 50, we are more safe. Now, I hope we have understood the indicator. Now, how do we use it? That's the main point. So we can use this indicator in two ways. We can use it in an automatic way, or we can use this indicator, in the semi-automatic way. So we can use this indicator in two ways, either in an automatic way, like I'm going to show you, or we can use this indicator in the semi-automatic way. Okay, so let's go. So let's start with the semi-automatic way. When I want to use this indicator in the semi-automatic way, this RSI has 3 lines. It has a line that looks at the past 6 candles. It has a line that looks at the past and the present 12 candles. And it has a line that looks at the past and the present 24 candles. Okay? So the RSI of 24 is always very slow, but it will give reliable entries. The RSI of 12 is moderate, and the RSI of 6 is fast. So if you are this kind of a person who wants your robot to buy fast and maybe sell fast, because we don't control the buyers and the sellers, then the RSI of 6 is favorite for you. Or if you are this kind of a trader who wants something that is moderate, then 12 is for you. If you are this kind of a trader who wants a perfect trade, then 24 is ready for you. Okay? So let's tap on BNX to be our learning example. So when you open BNX, I told you I don't like this coin. It over misbehaves, but it's fine. So when we open this coin, the RSI that I'm talking about are down here at the bottom. If you can see them, give me a 2 in the chart. The RSI, when you open your coin, they are down here at the bottom. There is the RSI of 24, the RSI of 12, and the RSI of 6. And on them, they give you parameters that the RSI of 24 is at 33. The RSI of 12 is at 24. And they are going to draw those lines. This is 50, this is 20, this is that is 80, and this is 100, this is 0. It means that the RSI of 24 is below 50, but above 20. So the RSI of 12 is also below 50, but above 20, and the RSI of 6 is below. It means that the RSI is moving here below 20. So the RSI of 6 is in the oversold area. But the RSI of 24, which is at the RSI of 12, which is at 24 around here, and the RSI of 24, which is at 33, is not in the overbought, is not in the oversold, but is in neutral. It is between 20 and 50. Now, having seen the parameters, let's try to use RSI to trade. So I'll tap on create, martingale strategy bot, create. Then it brings me this area of trade setting. So I'll tap on trade setting. So let me say I have entered my settings already. The RSI applies here. So you come here on advanced, on optional. You select RSI. So when you select RSI to be your entry price, you can choose to say, I want to use an RSI of 6, which is fast, or an RSI of 12, or an RSI of 24. I've explained what each means. The time frame is unchangeable. It is only 15 minutes. Now, where you can change is this one. You want the RSI to buy when the coin is where? When it is below 20. It means you want it to buy when it's in the oversold. So you select oversold. Do you want it to buy when it is less than what? Do you want it to buy when it is less than 20? That's what you mean. When the RSI is at 20, less than 20. Or do you want it to buy when it's less than 30? But I think I've explained. I'm not doing well, but I have to appear. Do you want it to buy when it's less than 30? Or do you want it to buy when it is greater than 30? When you say greater than 30, it means that it could be at 80, it could be at 70, it could be at 100. So I would recommend you use less than, because it will give you the figure. You want it to buy when it's less than 50. Less than 50, it means it can buy at 20, it can buy at 50, it can buy at 10. So this one. You can also say, me, I want to apply 2 conditions. And when you apply 2 conditions, the system will execute in the sequence. Once the first condition is met, it will continue to monitor until the second condition is met. When the second condition is met, the system will buy. For example, you say, on top, I want the RSI of 6 when it's less than 50. Then you say below, I want the RSI of 24 when it is also less than 50. So once the RSI of 60 is made, the robot will not buy. It will wait until also the RSI of 24 is also met. That's when your robot will buy your coin. If you have understood how to use the RSI. So once you put in these settings, and then you save, and then you tap activate, this robot will not buy. The robot will not buy until the RSI has triggered those conditions for you to buy. Give me a 1 in the chat if I'm clear. Now I want to go to the automatic way. I want to go to the automatic way. Give me 1 in the chat if I'm clear. Like I promised, I said I'll keep this as short as possible. But I hope I'm explaining very well. Automated. So how can we automate? Still loud and clear. Give me a usually expect that this sorry, I think my network kicked me out. But on the manual way of picking the coin, was I loud and clear? Let me know. On the manual way of picking the coin, was I loud and clear? Was that topic home on the manual way? Because now I want us to go to the automatic way. I hope that was clear. The first way of picking. So as long as you understand the indicator, it's very easy to use it. Now, in the automatic way, you want to use the RSI in the automatic way. So let's dive into that also very fast here. Now, if you want to use the RSI in the automatic way, meaning you want the RSI to go in the market, look at a particular number of coins, and then set them for you. So what do? You basically tap on strategy. So instead of you setting one coin, you want to set a group of them. And I'll give you two ways you can do this. You tap on strategy here. Then you tap on setting. And when you tap on setting, me, I would advise this way. Tick coins 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 39, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 80. So select 80 coins because by Royal Q will not allow you to save many. So select those 80 first. Okay. Then you come here. You come here on trade setting. Then you come on manually create. Choose a strategy setting. Pick a strategy of your own choice that you are using. And then you come here on advanced option. So here you can change the strategy mode to sub-bid mode. Come here and then say, I want to use, instead of trigger price, I want to use RSI. Having set the condition, you can even add on another one. You say I want to use a 6 and a 24 when both of them are in the oversold. This will give you a solid coin. Once you apply this, you will always get a coin that is very good. The coin will not be very loud, and it will also not be very, so it will be a very good coin. Or you can use less than, maybe you want less than 30. And you apply, use a 24 and a 6 and a 24 RSI. It will be very good. But you can also use one, okay? So then you save. So all these settings will go into 80 selected coins. Okay, the settings will go into the 80 selected coins. If that is clear, give me a 2 in the chat. So you pick, you tap on batch setting, you tap on setting, then you pick. Give me a 2, you pick 80 coins. So the 80 coins are the ones you have ticked. Then you tap on batch setting again. Don't tick all. Then you tap on activate. You tap on activate. You tap on activate. So what the robot will do will now go in the market using the what? Using the it will go in the market. The good thing, you know what you are supposed to do. You will go in the market and look for you coins that are in the oversold area. So after you have selected the first 80 and you have successfully set them, if you want to pick others and you have not got any coin on those and you want to pick others, then come back again and select another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you have understood what I mean, you have selected the first 80, you have not got any. Come and select another one. So you can be able to select this coin in batches. Give me a 3 in the chat if that is clear. Me, I'm not setting any trade. I'm just showing you. Okay. If you have understood that, give me a 3 in the chat. So that's how simple you automate the RSI for your trading. But before you come and do all these tasks, before you come to this place, what you need to do, the first important thing you need to do is how much is your first buying amount? If your first buying amount is 12, if your first buying amount is 12, if your first buying amount is 12, you need to make sure that in your spot wallet you only have $12. If your first buying amount is 5, you need to make sure that in your spot wallet you only have $5. How do you do that? You just come to your Binance. You come to your Binance account. You tap on wallet. Wow, what a good business. Okay. You tap on wallet, then you tap on funding, then you tap on transfer from spot to funding. Then if maybe, for example, I have $160, I'll make sure that I will only send 155 if I want my first buying amount. So I remain with $5. So when it is looking for coins, it will only use $5, which is my first buying amount. Give me a yes in the chat if I'm clear. Now, the other thing I will say, when you are picking these coins, so you see it will be here waiting 79 coins, and it will show you on total here. It will find one that is in the oversold. Once it meets, and it will buy. So you can do it in bits. So if I did this first one, I can still come back here. I come back here. I tap on the setting, USDT. Now, remember, when I was picking the first, I started from the top. If you remember, give me a yes in the chat. So here, I started from the top. So if I want to pick another 80, I will start from the bottom. But it seems it's only giving me those I selected. Mix. No, I want all. So you need to tap on the fun and see, because it might give you only the ones you selected. So that time I started from the top. Now this time I'll start from the bottom. I'll start from the bottom. Or I can select particular coins. Instead of me selecting many, I'll select particular coins. I go through them, I select particular coins that I like to trade. So I select these ones. Let me say I have another 80 now. Then I tap on batch setting. Then I have put in all the settings, then I tap activate. Tap again. So if I did the first 80 and I'm not getting any, I can still do another 80. You see now, I have 97 that are running. None of these will buy. I have 97. If you have understood, give me a yes in the chat. That's how you use the RSI to pick coins. Okay? That's how you use the RSI to pick coins. If you have understood, give me a yes in the chat. You can manually look for the coin, or you can automate the coin by yourself. I'll allow in 3 coins. I'll allow in 3 questions, and then we come to the end of the call. You cannot select all of it. That's why I've also shared that. So if you come and you select all of them, for example, all of them, tap on the funnel, then I say all of them. When I tap all of them and I tick all, then I tap activate. It will not allow me, it will tell me 80. So I do the first 80, then I do the second 80. Hope I've answered you. Questions? Questions? And then we come to the end of the call. Questions? RSI is very good. It always give you good profits. Okay. Keep your questions on my topic. Yes, Zara.
Hello.
Yes, you are loud and clear.
Good evening, coach.
Good evening.
Thank you very much for the presentation. My question is about how do I pick coins which are working well, which are trading well? Like for example, you said 100 plus, like those ones. How do I get to know them? How do I pick them?
You get to know them using your experience in the business. As I'm trading, even you yourself, for the time you have been in the business, don't you have particular coins you love more than others?
Yes, I have, but I thought that there is a way we can
There
get
is no
more.
formula because nobody controls the market. There are particular coins you love as a person. When I trade this coin, usually moves fast. It will come with experience. Maybe what I would talk about would be maybe meme coins. Your network is cutting. The network is cutting. The ability to be selective on certain coins, it will always depend on your experience in the what? In the business. Okay, there will be certain coins that you love and others you don't love. Maybe I would say, according to the season of the market, I would say meme coins. If you don't know how to find meme coins, this is very simple. Your account, if you leave more money, the robot will buy all of them. It will buy for you 80 coins and each it puts in $5. Come and check on Coin Market Cap. If you don't know how to find meme coins, come and check on Coin Market Cap. Then when you reach here, tap on the search button and then you write meme coins or meme tokens, but this may not give you a good list. I would recommend that this may not give you a good list. So when you come here, there is what we call categories. So come here on categories. They've already grouped them for you. Real world assets, deepin, what. Then come here on memes. Category memes, they are here. So you write them down. Doge, Shiba, Pepe, WIF, Bonk, Floki, Popcat, Brett, Nairo, Mog, Mew, Bome, Baby Doge, Dogs, Meme, Tabo, SXP, SPX, Dog, Giga. There is also a meme coin called the Bitcoin, Enupu, Goti, Osika, Sunny Dogo, Ponke, Tulampu, Pepe, Kati, Miguni, Ande is as be okay. Momo, Y, Micho, Hippo, Neiro, Sinigu, Poco, Boni, Daddy, Diku, Walufu, Vogolo, Bobo, Bendu, Binyugu. So many funny names. GME, Lachi, Suguludu, Beruni, Malululu, Wolofu, Nobu, Nute, Nukuli, Nagugu, Pakuli. So many. So this list go through, and yes, it is here. Someone is saying Poco, it is here. I did not read it. It is there. How many of you have seen the Poco meme coin? Have not. I'm not the one who has it. How many of you have seen them? I have not here. I have read it here. It is not me who said it. Someone may get annoyed. It is here. I've read it here. It was here. Poco, it was here. It is here. Someone is saying it is me. No, the memo coin is here. It is Poco. It is here. I'm not the one who has it. So someone should not say that I'm the one. It is here. I'm not the developer. So they are here. So once, like for example, in Royal Q, we have all these. We have this one in Binance, this one. This one is in MEX. We have all these Brett, Nairo, Mew. I think we don't have Bome, Bebu Doge, Meme, Tabo. So meme coins can always, they are outperforming other cryptocurrencies in the market. You see, on average, these coins have gone high 2 million %. So meme coins, they are, to me, meme coins are doing better than other coins in the market. And you see here, they are trending number two on coin market cap. They are leading the race. They are high by 2 million % on average. So we cannot take them for granted. Okay. So I hope I've answered. To me, I would say picking meme coins would give you a better move in the market. Someone says for those using HTX, Poco is there. Yeah. Okay, so you just trade it. Don't be like you are eating the coin. You know, someone may say, I have that thing so much. So me, I'll go and trade it as if I'm eating it. So meme coins, just trade. So meme coins would be able to do you a better service. More questions? More questions? More questions? More questions? Yeah, even in HTX, there is a coin called the SEX. There is a coin called the SEX. It is there. Yeah, there is a coin called the SEX in HTX. But that coin is worth $1 million. Yeah, it is here. Let me show it to you. There's a coin called the sex. I mean, I don't like that coin BNX. If people like it, it's up to them. I don't like BNX. Even in the morning when it went up, I followed it. It went high. No doubt. Let me show you sex. Let me increase my light. Let me show you sex. There is a coin here called the sex. But I see why is this exchange not operating network. Let me show you the price of the sex coin. Guys, can you see this coin is worth $1.7 million? Can you see? This coin is $1.7 million. And you see, this coin went as high as $450 million. It's all-time high. But I've increased the light. But it is just, the coin is called sex. I don't have any video. It is just a coin called sex. It is not the, I don't have any obscene video. Someone says you are not sharing the video. I don't have any obscene video. It is the coin called sex. Some people. Now you thought I'm going to show you an obscene video. People, you are not serious. This coin went high up to 450 million. $450 million. That's how stupid this world is. $450 million. And right now, the current price of this coin is 1.7 million. Bitcoin is not the most expensive coin. I can show you over 5 coins that are more expensive than Bitcoin. This coin went as high as 450 million. I don't know whether it was Didi on the coin. So, so my friend, I don't like the name. It's okay. It's not about the name. There is a new coin on Solana called Didi, and people are making money out of it. But I hope my point is clear. So one day I believe Bitcoin will be over $1 million. So if you had doubt, I show you a coin here. It has its all-time high at $450 million. So one day we shall be very rich. Someone says BNX is a very good coin. It's okay, I have no issues. Yeah, the coin is very expensive. Okay. Any question? Any question? Yeah, the sex coin is very expensive. Yeah, it went up $450 million. Any more questions about RSI? Okay. But if I put $100 in BTC and it rises up to 1 million, you put. Who has refused you? No one. No one has refused you. How much will I get? Go and use, they call it what? I'm now tired. But I hope it's okay now. I'm done. I need to come on your Chrome here and write in what we call, there's this thing called coin statics. Coin statics. Or write crypto profit calculator. Write crypto profit calculator. And then you put in the coin. So for example, For example, BTC, or you want to invest $100, and you want to exit when BTC is at 1 million. Let me see. 1 million. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Investment 100, you buy there. Investment fee, exit. Why are they not showing me? Investment fee. I'll pay like $5. Total investment. Where is the calculate? I think I'm still here where they want me to log in. So come and look at this. Let me use here where I am. They're not allowing me to calculate. They want me to connect my accounts. So just let's change. Come and write profit calculator. Crypto. There are many, by the way, it's not one. So BTC, I want to use the examples. I don't want to connect my accounts. So BTC, investment, $100. Exit, 1 million. I want to exit when this coin is at 1 million. 3. Initial price for what? The challenge with this, they also want me to connect my account, yet me, I'm not willing. Okay, initial price, 67,000. Selling price, 1 million. 3, 6. Investment fee, $5. Investment, $100. So I'll pay like $10. Let me see. Why are they not calculating? Now these guys, they want me to connect my account. That's what I hate about this stuff. So calculate. They're not giving the calculator now. So these ones are bad. They want me to first connect my wallet. I'm not interested. You need to be keen when you are using these calculators. Make sure you don't connect your wallet. Okay? Do not get excited because these guys are not showing me my profit down here. BTC. Investment. $100. Okay. Now initial price, selling price, total investment, total exit fee. Are you okay? I invest the initial price. I sell at this. This is not clear. So, but you can come on these calculators. I don't know what is happening today. Usually this one was the best, but they want me to install the app, which I don't like. So let me see if it was network. Okay, Bitcoin investment, $100. Selling price, 1 million. Results. Okay. You'll make $1,000. You'll make $1,000, my brother. You'll make $1,475 if you buy, you put in $100 and you wait until it becomes 1 million. Now, can $1,000, 475 change your life? Can it change your life? It's a waste of time. It's a waste of time and energy. Go and use that money for trading and you compound your money. Maybe if you buy coins like, but then also it takes a lot of time. But it is a compound, it's called coin stats. It is a compounding. So it is the crypto calculator. Hope I've answered you. That was my last question for today. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is waste of time and it is. Go and compound your money. So when you have your $100 and it gets to 1 million, you have 1,000. That's why I don't understand. I have got my Bitcoin is $10. I will wait until it. I have my $10 in Bitcoin. If you have your $10 and it gets to 1 million, you'll have $147. It might even reach when you are in your grave. Guys, have a nice day. See you. See you. Bye, everyone. But I hope I've answered. Crypto profit calculate. People usually ask me, how do I get this? Someone is asking, but how do you know all this? I think exposure.